Hi guys! Today I will be showing you how you can display your Google Sheet data on your WordPress website by using the Sheet to WP Table Live Sync plugin. So let's start. So the next step is to install the plugin. As you can see, I already have the plugin installed and activated. When you have the plugin, just go to the dashboard of the Sheet to Table plugin, click on Dashboard, and now click on Create New Table. And now you add the link of your Google Sheet. I already have a sample Google Sheet ready. I'll just click on the Share button to fetch and copy the link. Now go back to your dashboard and paste the link and click on the Create Table button. Now set a title for your table. And you can also set the description, but of course that's optional. And every time you make a change, always hit the Fetch and Save button. So if you make a change on the Google Sheet, make sure you get back here and click on Fetch and Save to update the data. And keep in mind, whatever changes you make, all of that was going to be displayed here as a sample, so you don't have to go back to the main page where you paste the table. You can check that over here. So I'll go to Next and I'll set the theme. I'll just go for the simple one and go to Next. And in the table customization section, you basically customize the appearance of your table. I'm just going to be fast about this step because I just want to show you how simple it is. I'll just keep everything as it is at default. I'll just hit Fetch and Save and just go to the last step. And of course, this section is for the Pro version where you have the option to hide rows and the cells and the columns, but I'll just leave it at that. And now that we're done here, if you ever make any changes, as I said before, just click on Fetch and Save. Now what you do is you copy the short code and go to a page or a post. So I'm going to create a new post, set a title for the post, and just paste the short code and hit the Publish button. And now when you click on View Post, you will see that the data will be displayed on your WordPress website. Just see how simple that is. Just look at that. And do you remember the customization section? If you ever want to make any changes, this is all controllable. You can remove all of these elements. So this is how it looks like. Now let's talk about customizing the table on your WordPress website. So let's talk about customization. So to start, just head over to the dashboard of the plugin. And once you go there, just click on the edit logo of the table you made. So there it is. And now we'll head straight to customization. Now the top elements and the bottom elements can be removed. So if you go down here, this is the top element, and the bottom element are these two options. So if I remove the entries and the search box, you'll see that it'll be gone. And if you want to remove the entry information and the pagination, then you'll see that will be gone as well. And you can also show the table title. So there's the table, and you can show the description at the top or at the bottom. That doesn't appear, and if that happens, it means you have to change to update the table. There it goes. And my favorite option is the Enable Sorting option. When you enable this option, what happens is your user can better filter their table. So let me just go to the front end and refresh the page. And let's say I'm looking for only a number of female students. So I'll just click on the gender column and you'll see only females with the males at the bottom. Likewise, if you would like to sort out the major subjects, just click on Major, and there you go. You have only art followed by English, math, and physics. So it makes it a lot easier for your user to sort the data on your table. So let's just go back. And the merge cell option is when you have merged cells in your Google Sheet. So if you would like to show the merged cells on your table, make sure you enable this option, but you can't use it with the enable sorting option. So make sure you uncheck and check the merged cell options. So it's going to display the table with your merged cells. You don't have to remember this rule. If both of them are enabled, your plugin is going to notify you when you hit save. So for now, I will uncheck the merge option, hit save, and I will head to our next customization process, which is the utility. Here your users can download the table or export it in these number of formats. You need the pro version for that to work. And another cool feature is that you can let your users make use of the links. If your table has any links, just make sure to check this option. And when you do, just click on update. Okay, now if I scroll down, you'll see that my table has links over here. So if you uncheck the option, then the links are going to go away when you click on save. And one thing I also want to mention is you have the option to control what happens when a user clicks on the link. If you want your users to stay on the same window, then you click on this option. If you want the link to redirect your user to a new window, then you click on this option. And another option is you can also allow your users to import images. So just enable import images and hit save. And when you scroll down, you'll see that all the images are being displayed. And of course, don't forget to enable this particular option, cache table for faster load time. This will load your table a lot faster, and this is useful if you have a lot of table with a lot of data. So we're good to go. Let's click on save and move to styling. Now the cell formatting style refers to how you want your cells to be displayed. If you want your cells to have a lot of space, then you click on expanded. If you want your cells to take up less space, then you click on wrapped. The table that I'm using has links and images. So if I choose expanded, it's not going to look really appealing. As you can see, it's taking up way too much space. For me, I have to go for the wrapped option. There you go, much better. And the responsive style refers to how your cell is being displayed on different devices. You can go for a collapsible style, you can go for a scrollable style. I personally prefer to leave it at default because it lets the browser decide what is best for the mobile devices, for the tabs and so on. And if you want to show the number of rows on your page, you can show less or you can show more. You can show, and of course up to 30 is for free, but once it crosses that, you have to get the pro version, which I highly recommend because there's so many cool features that you can make use of. So you have the height, which you can obviously control. I'm happy with the default height, and that's it. Just click on save, go to your front end dashboard, refresh the page, and that's it. That's just how simple it is. If you like this video, do give us a comment and subscribe to our WP Pool channel. And if you're looking forward to more videos, do let us know and stay subscribed. And that's it. Take care. Bye-bye.